Yeah, I'm recording this for history. Won't have this again for probably...
You'll never see it again.
Yeah, not in my lifetime.
That's for sure. Oh, never see it again.
I didn't even hear you guys when I got home. I got home at 3 o'clock. I'm like, it's quiet out there. What'd they do? I'll go home. I look out the window and I'm like, oh, new sidewalk.
No, I didn't sign no waivers yet,
Where's the concrete come from? That's a lot of concrete.
Yeah, 70 yards right here. A lot. 7 or 8 trucks. 8 trucks, yeah.
Well, when I saw the framing set up a couple days ago, I said to myself, that's how thick the concrete's going to be.
6 inches.
Dang.
Drive on it.
That's something. That looks blue. I think it's just the sun. But they got it all the way done from the intersection of Bloomfield Street almost all the way down to Parry Street. It'll look pretty good today. Some flowers. Look at this. New sidewalks. A little bumpy because it's graveled. Look how thick they make these sidewalks, though. That's about 8 inches of concrete right there, at least. They should have done that street as well. I think that's Caswell Street, Caswell. I guess it wasn't in the budget. That's a lot of concrete, though. And all this was just freshly put in. They said it takes about, they said by morning you should be able to walk on it. Oh, I got some flowers. This is pretty much where they began today. Hey. I can't get around. Maybe walking through is not considered trespassing. Hey. But once they put the blacktop down, the curb will only be maybe about 6 inches of the curb will show. But look how thick that is, the curb. And the concrete's about 8 inches thick. Something. A little bumpy. I wonder if this house is owned by the same people that own this house, because the siding is exactly the same. Once they get the sidewalk put in, then they have to do the rest of it here, put in the fill, get the driveways done, and then they'll do the road at last. Pretty much like that.